We can load up some makeup wipes with the tar and glue remover, put it on the panel, and it should come straight off. The Audi R8 V10, 5.2 litre naturally aspirated beauty.
The supercar detail we have been waiting for, but it is particularly filthy.
Yeah, I think we should find out why. Owner Andrew bought this car in March 2019 and wrapped it emerald green the very same day. The car was later damaged in a hailstorm, which meant he had to remove the wrap for repairs. That was around a year ago, and it hasn't been cleaned since. So we've got a nice layer of glue and a load of dirt bedded in. Despite the R8 being Andrew's dream car, he's lost a bit of love for it. He's hoping a good clean will reignite his passion for the car. So he's making his problem our problem.
Yeah, but that's why we're here.
Absolutely. We need to have a look around this.
Let's have a look.
Oh, that didn't take long to find. Look at all this glue around the edges.
And the bonnet is thick with dust. Oh yeah, and that dust continues down the engine cover.
He must have had a load of stickers on here because that's covered in glue. Spoiler's really, really flat. There's some white residue down here. So many intricate areas, cobwebs.
It's not good news. They're shiny, they're not meant to be, and that's not the colour they're supposed to be.
This is more than 8 hours of work, and until we've got it clean, we have no idea what we're actually working with.
Yeah, 100%. We need to get the dirt off and see what the paint's really hiding.
Oh, you can hear it.
That.
As we suspected, there are paint defects everywhere, glue in all the shuts. We got a lot.
We need to get it inside. We need to get an inspection lamp over it, and then we can make a plan of attack.
There's just no time.
No time.
We're up against it. Mate, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Seeing it? I'm hearing it.
We need to get rid of this glue. We've got to get rid of the rest of the contamination with the clay bar, and then we really need to make a start on this machine polishing. We've got a mountain in front of us.
Let's crack on.
As we've seen, this car is covered in glue. Unfortunately, around the edges, we've got a lot of build-up. So, rather than standing there rubbing it all day, we can load up some makeup wipes with the tar and glue remover, put it on the panel, leave it for 10 minutes, and it should come straight off. It's time to clay bar. This is the most old school way of decontaminating the paint, but it's definitely the best. It pulls out 99 to 100% of contaminants. What are contaminants? That is dirt that is bedded in the paintwork, something that won't come out with a simple wash mitt. It's nothing to be scared of. Anybody can do it. You just need a clay bar, a lubricant, and a little bit of time and patience. If you're wondering when the perfect time to clay bar is, wash the car, run the back of your hand over it. If it feels quite rough, it's time to clay.
People think you can only clay bar bodywork, but actually glass, wheels, anything shiny. How you getting on, Jack?
I am done with the clay bar. What about you?
I'm all done.
Should we start machine polishing?
Perfect.
Cool. We're all done taping, everything's protected, let's start polishing. Joe, I know we could have done with another day's polishing, but we've got to call it off.
How long we got left?
We've got an hour.
I need to deep clean these seats.
While you're doing that, I'm going to seal the paintwork, dress the tyres, do the glass.
Keep cracking on. Now, this is the Audi R8 supercar. Nice, soft leather, so we're going to use a specialist leather cleaner. I'm setting up a 50-50, so you can see the difference between shiny and dirty, clean and matte. It's as simple as spray, brush, wipe and repeat. Have we got a fuller?
Now we've got the paint as perfect as we can within the 8 hours, we're going to lock it in with some paint sealant. This is going to last around 5 months. Let's just hope Andrew cleans it before then. Joe, 8 hours, time is up. I'll be honest, there was a few hairy moments there. I didn't know if we was going to make it.
Yeah, I could have spent another 8 hours on that, but I'm pretty happy.
I'll make you right, it looks beautiful. Let's just let Andrew be the judge of it. Hello.
You all right, guys?
Are you Andrew?
That's me.
You're the owner of this beautiful Audi R8, am I right?
That's me.
How long have you had it?
2.5 years as of this week.
Am I right in saying that you wrapped it the day you got it?
Literally drove straight from the dealership to the wrap shop.
Why wouldn't you buy a green one?
I like changing my colours every now and again. I know I've only had it in green since I got it until now. But yeah, I like changing it up every now and again, and that's why I bought black, actually, because it's the best colour to wrap on.
How long had you had it until you took the wrap off?
It got wrapped when I got it in 2019. I took the wrap off October 2020, and the only reason why I took the wrap off was it got stuck in a hailstorm in Italy, and I ended up with about 60 dents all over my car. And when I say hailstorms, I mean the size of golf balls.
What happened since then? Because it said you haven't cleaned it or touched it in nearly a year.
So I haven't actually cleaned it or touched it since the wrap has come off. I didn't even clean the glue off the car.
We know that. We found that out.
And the dust is sticking to the glue.
Everything's sticking to that bolty glue. I'm anxious to show you the car. We've only had 8 hours, which is a big car. There was a lot to do. More time would have been amazing, but I think it's time for you to see it. Let's get this door open.
Let's go. No way. No way. This looks better than it was from the factory. This is ridiculous. This looks brand new. Oh yeah, my seats weren't really red anymore. It literally looks like a fresh, ripe red apple. Wow, I am absolutely stoked with the way that this came out.
So you like it?
The car's gone from something that I was actually quite ashamed to be in to now I'm gonna drive it home with pride. I'm very, very pleased with the way it's come out, and thank you so much to the boys who have done a fantastic job on it, and I'm not just saying that because I'm in front of cameras. I genuinely want to go up there and give them a big hug.